Hey guys, and welcome to this video. Today, we're going to find the value of this expression, 4 minus 4 times 3 minus 3. Ready to solve it? Let's go! Some people might start by doing 4 minus 4, which gives 0. Then they bring down the times 3 and the minus 3, turning it into 0 times 3 minus 3, which becomes 0, and finally 0 times 0, which they think is 0. But this answer is not correct. Why? Because according to the order of operations, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So we must start with the multiplication. 4 times 3 equals 12. Now the expression becomes 4 minus 12 minus 3. Next we work from left to right. 4 minus 12 gives negative 8, and negative 8 minus 3 equals negative 11. So the correct answer to this expression is negative 11. Here's your challenge. What do you think the answer would be if we changed it to 7 minus 7 times 4 minus 4? Think it through carefully, and drop your answer in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun math tricks. Thanks for watching.